This is the waterfall.
Hello, welcome to Billion SciEng. Today, we have the guest. I am Paul and non quantum. Yeah. Today, we are at the มวกเหล waterfall, and here they have about the natural environment. The environment in the มวกเหล waterfall, they have about the naturals. They have the many plants at here, and this natural is fantastic. At here, เจ็ดสาวน้อย waterfall. Could you see the environment? This is the second floor of the เจ็ดสาวน้อย waterfall. They have many people play with the water. At this tea, they have about the animal like this. The name is ตะกอง or Chinese water dragon. There are a lot of butterflies at here at the fifth floor of the เจ็ดสาวน้อย waterfall. The water is very clear as you can see, right? And this is a pop root that can protect the plant from the water at the waterfall. The method of waterfall formation begin with the river that leaves its plant on the bedrock onto the soft rock.
อย่าลืมกดไลค์กดแชร์กดติดตามอย่าลืมบ๊ายบายด้วย